So how did I become a data scientist? First of all, I think my background is probably a bit different compared to a lot of other data scientists. So my career started in the oil and gas industry back in 2004. And back then I was working as an automation technician on an oil rig, working on things like process control, instrumentation, electronics, and various kinds of sensor data. But after doing that for a couple of years, I decided to go back to school and ended up with a master's and a PhD in physics. Uh, but how then do you go from a degree in physics to working as a data scientist? And in my case, this happened sort of by coincidence. So towards the end of my PhD, my research interest started to shift towards neuroscience. So trying to understand how our brain processes information. So the topic of my PhD was on nanophysics. And one research topic which we're currently working on there is how could you use information about how the brain processes information, then try to replicate that using various nanoscale building blocks, sort of build an artificial brain. So this was my path into becoming interested in things like artificial intelligence and machine learning and neural networks and all these cool buzzwords. So after my PhD, I worked as a researcher in computational neuroscience for a short amount of time before I decided to go back to industry. So that was back in 2017. So since then, I've been working in industry with applied data science and machine learning within many different domains, such as oil and gas, energy, aquaculture, basically any kind of different domains where extracting information from data is important.